We are going to get on the Worlds of Fun Railroad.
Starting off our journey is the East Asia section of the park. East Asia has home attractions such as the Bamboozler and the Ripcord. Ripcord combines the thrill of skydiving as well as hang gliding. Also in East Asia, you'll find the spinning dragons. Our coaster with cars that spin freely while moving along a twisted track. We are now crossing into the Scandinavia section of the park, which tells the jewel of World of Fun, the Grand Carousel. Built in 1926, the Grand Carousel is one of the last operating carousels of its kind. Friendly reminder to keep all hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the train on time to make sure your little ones are doing the same. Thank you. If you look to your left, you'll see Viking Voyager, World of Fun's original whitewater blue ride. Viking Voyager takes riders to their treetops and over a nearly 50-foot waterfall, all ending with a splash. Next, watch out for the high seas, as the sea turtles have you screaming as they blink you 55 feet in the air. So if you prefer a smoother ride, I suggest sitting near the center. I'd like to give a friendly reminder to be drinking plenty of water today. It's real hot out, so we want you all to stay hydrated and stay safe.
There's a Santa Claus back there. I saw a Santa Claus. Oh, look at this.
Railroad, we're real big fans of trivia, so it's only right I tell you a where you can take a break and travel the European countryside. Autobahn bumper cars and the Flying Dutchman are also classics you'll find in this section of the park. Train comes to a full complete stop and the engineer blows the train whistle. Again, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop and the engineer blows that whistle. Thank you.
So catch me if I fall.